Well, I think that the COVID message continues to be really muddled. First of all, the Biden administration has been very conflicted towards what are they going to do in terms of booster shots. The CDC and scientists are saying one thing. They've promised to follow the science, yet they've come out ahead of the science and said we're giving out boosters. So even when there is good news to be told, the American public doesn't trust this administration any more than it trusted the Trump administration to listen to it. That's the real problem here. And so I think that the COVID, message from the Biden administration right now is not much more clear than it was in the last administration. That's a problem for them.
He keeps making a mistake, by the way. Biden keeps repeating a mistake about Fox's vaccine mandate. He keeps saying that Fox requires vaccines. Fox actually, for its employees coming into the office, requires vaccines or daily testing, which, by the way, is a lot more rigorous than what the Biden administration has proposed for companies. But he keeps getting this fact wrong repeatedly, and I think it does need to be called out that he doesn't quite have the facts right about Fox. At the same time, these are, if Trump was committing live felonies, what Biden tends to commit are misdemeanors. Right. Is that a fair difference?
I think that's a very judicious way of putting it. And I think it's interesting what Sarah said about what's happening with COVID and where the Biden administration is. I think it's dovetailing. It's not just about booster shots. It's about that there are lots and lots and lots of tens of thousands of Americans who are not getting vaccinated. So for all of the good news, the White House is vexed is how do we actually get these people vaccinated? Because we tried. We gave them money. We gave them gifts. We gave them airtime. Right. We're giving states all of these lotteries. But nothing is stopping them besides
except
watching.
mandates.
Except mandates.
Except watching people die on television.
Yeah.
And I think that